Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. I'm so glad you're here today because I've got something fun and sparkly to share with you. We all know how important it is to find that perfect lipstick that not only looks amazing, but also feels comfortable. And today's product promises exactly that. Let's dive into the Wet n Wild Mega Glitter Shimmer Liquid Lipstick. This lipstick is all about transforming your lips with a unique matte to glitter finish. It starts off with a smooth matte look, but once you press your lips together, it bursts into a stunning multi-dimensional glitter effect. And the best part? It's not just about the sparkle. It's packed with vitamin E to nourish and hydrate your lips while keeping them looking fabulous. Now let's talk a little more about the features that make this lipstick stand out. First, the formula is incredibly lightweight. It glides on easily without any tugging or dryness, making it super comfortable to wear. Despite being light, the color payoff is intense, delivering vibrant coverage that lasts through the day or night. Whether you're heading to a party or just want to add a bit of glam to your day, this lipstick has you covered. The real magic happens when you press your lips together. The matte finish transforms into this glittery shine that makes your lips pop. It's a fun, eye-catching look that I think anyone can pull off. Whether you're into bold statements or just want to add a little extra sparkle to your routine. And as if that wasn't enough, the formula is vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about your purchase, knowing that no animals were harmed in the making of this product. When I tried this lipstick, I was impressed by how comfortable it felt on my lips. I've worn some glitter lipsticks before, and they can sometimes feel gritty or dry, but not this one. The formula is smooth, lightweight, and doesn't feel sticky at all. I also love that it didn't feather or smudge, which is a big deal when you're wearing a bold color. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros: amazing transformation from matte to glitter. This is the star feature. Lightweight and comfortable on the lips. Strong color payoff without feeling heavy or cakey. Enriched with vitamin E, so it's nourishing and keeps lips soft. Vegan and cruelty-free, which is a big plus in today's beauty world. Cons: the glitter effect might not be for everyone, especially if you prefer a more subtle lip look. While the color is bold, it may need reapplication after eating or drinking. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this is a solid pick. Given that it's from Wet n Wild, a brand known for delivering great quality at an affordable price, you're getting a lot of product for your money. Plus, with all the benefits, the nourishing ingredients, the vibrant color payoff, and the fun transformation, it's definitely worth checking out if you're looking for something a little different in your lipstick collection. As for comparisons, there are other glitter lipsticks on the market, but many of them are heavier or less comfortable to wear. Some other brands may offer a similar finish, but Wet n Wild's formula is one of the lightest and most hydrating I've tried, and at a fraction of the price of other high-end glitter lipsticks. Let's talk build quality. The packaging is sleek, simple, and functional. It doesn't feel cheap, and the applicator gives you control, which is important when you're applying a product with a more dramatic finish like this one. I wouldn't expect any issues with durability either. This lipstick is well made for everyday use. Final thoughts: this lipstick is perfect for anyone who loves a bold, vibrant lip with a fun twist. Whether you're heading out for a night on the town or just want to make your everyday makeup a little more glamorous, the Wet n Wild Mega Glitter Shimmer Liquid Lipstick delivers. It offers great value for its price, provides fantastic color payoff, and gives you that wow factor with its unique glittery finish. If you're looking for a lip product that does more than just add color, this could be the one for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this lipstick, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.